Hello, real investors! I'm currently here in our office in McKinley Hill, where my teammates and I will be visiting Northwind Global City. Join me throughout this video as we explore the major updates and ongoing improvements of this 85-hectare township by MegaWorld. Let's go! On our drive to Marilao, Bulacan, let me share a quick insight what value this project will bring to the North. North has long been seen as a symbol of growth and hope in many cultures. MegaWorld's 28th Township, Northwind Global City, embodies this idea. It poised to become the Philippines' next big business hub, attracting investors with its strategic